The recent Kia Rahi tournament at Waihīrere Domain brought excitement and connection to the community. Hosted by Te Aitanga Māhaki, the competition saw over 100 participants.
We try to get at least 10 marae from Māhaki. Kia Rahi is one of the passions of our rangatahi here in Tūranga. I thought it would be a cool way to bring our people of Māhaki especially together on a positive vibe such as today, so yeah, pretty much.
No, it's been good, eh? Now we've got, I think, about 8 teams, two teams per rōpū, so no, it's pretty cool to see some cousins you haven't met before. So yeah, no, it's a great day here.
Kārawe ki te rongo, kārawe ki te kite. Ko aukati tā tātou waipuna, hoi anō, ko whakahukia mai te mauri ki tō tātou domain me ki. Kārawe ki te kitea, nā hapū o Māhaki, o tātou whanaunga o ronga whakāta, kei kona nai tā manuhiri Ngāti Porou. Te hokina mai ki tō tātou domain I te rānei, e hui ngā tangata e hoki nā mahara.
You know, everybody's connected somehow, and you know, just bringing everybody together is the best part about it. You know, meeting new people, learning their whakapapa, where they're from, and just being able to connect with them is the best part about it. Because if you're connected, you can work well together. So the best part, I would say, is Kilma, where you go around and scoring the tries, you can rack up the most points in that 1 year. Taniwhas is more defence, so you've got to be a bit solid there in year.
Tēnei kēmu, piki mihi ki taku tungane rāpiata nāna te karanga. Koe nei nā mea pai mō tātou tamariki mokopuna. Me pērā tātou, me whai atu tātou I nei tūāhuatana mō rātou, ko rātou te āpōpōtanga me ki. Me personally, I'd love to see something like that happen for our people here in Tūranga, here in Māhaki. I'll just let the people speak, and if they want it, then I'm here to help run these spaces, so yeah.
In the end, Waihīrere took out the top spot, with Te Kuri finishing as runner-up. But the true winner of the day was whānau, as everyone came together to celebrate and share in the spirit of unity and whanaungatanga.